Okay, y'all know I love Cricut. Cricut is the best. Like, I have made so many amazing crafts and gifts for people. I have made this, and this, all with my Cricut. I'm super excited because today I get to unbox and try out the new Cricut Joy Xtra, and we're gonna do it together. This is my first time seeing it. Oh, look, it's cute and compact. So I have the Cricut Joy and the Explore 3, I think in Ohio. So I'm excited to have this for Tennessee. So straight out of the box, this is everything that comes with it. We've got the machine, the plug, the tool, and then the marker, and then a whole set of instructions. One of my favorite features about Cricut is how easy it is to set up and how easy it is to use. Literally, you just plug it in to the center there, then plug this into the back of your Cricut machine and then plug it into the wall and you are ready to go. Look how tiny and cute it is. I love it. So when you open your Cricut, you're gonna get this little green card and it makes it so simple. It says, let's get started to activate your machine, and it tells you where to go, cricut.com/setup. So I'm gonna do that on my laptop right now. It's going to set up so fast, it's crazy. Before we can ever even use a Cricut, we have to test it. So we're gonna do that right now. Instructions on the screen, drop the little ledge here and confirm that the blade is in place and the clamp is closed, which we did. It came with some test sheets, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and load this in, and it's going to run it through. Okay, it's ready. So I'm gonna press go and we're going to let it do a test run. Here we go. It is working beautifully. I know you guys probably can't see this on camera. It did the Cricut emblem. So perfect, we are ready to Cricut. Woo! Oh, she purdy. That is perfect. I just went to an event and we made these really cool simmer pots, which would make an amazing Christmas gift. Really all it is they're cinnamon sticks, cranberries, dried oranges, some bay leaves, star anise, some cloves, and I can't remember what that is. When I was little, my mom always had simmer pots going on the stovetop whenever it was close to Christmas time. It just made the whole house smell like Christmas, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is bringing back so many memories for me, so what a good Christmas gift. So what I'm gonna do is create a decal to go across this that says simmer pot and give you guys a really cute Christmas gift idea. A couple of things that really stand out to me about the Cricut Joy Xtra is the size. Like I said, I have the Explore 3, which I love, and I love all of the things that I can make with it, but it's like double the size of this. So this is so nice to be able to have the capabilities to do everything that I can with the Explore 3 now with this, because the Joy didn't have all of those abilities. Also, the thing that's really cool is that I can make full color projects like stickers, decals, cards, labels, all of the things full color. That is so exciting. I can also create foil projects, just so many different things that the regular Cricut Joy didn't allow me to do. So the Cricut Joy Xtra just feels like a total upgrade to me. Since this is my very first time using the Cricut Joy Xtra, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm gonna make this label, and when I got into the Cricut design space, I typed in labels, and the first thing that popped up was the Container Store label script, which I'm like, yes, please. So that's what we're gonna do. If you've never used Cricut Design Space, it is so easy, like so easy. All I'm gonna do now, because I designed it, is I'm gonna load my vinyl here, and I'm going to select that is the smart vinyl, and press your default. There it goes. I get so excited when I make these because I always expect them to come out like not the way that I imagine, but yet they always turn out looking better than I imagine. I love crafting with Cricut. Okay, so I press go. We are going to print it out now. So now I have to cut it out and I have to determine, am I gonna put it simmer and then pot, or then simmer pot? So I'm gonna figure that out, but it looks so good. Oh my gosh, it does look like the Container Store font. I love it. Perfect. This is where the starter set, this is the starter tool set from Cricut Joy, like comes in handy, because these little tools you will use a million times, a million different ways. Like, don't even think about it, you need these. Okay, some of my favorite features. Let's talk about why I love, oh, look, I feel like this is so satisfying, guys. This is my favorite part of crafting. Okay, you do not need to have any experience as a crafter to use a Cricut. Like, they're so easy to use and there's so many awesome tutorials out there, and the design space is so simple to figure out. The other thing that I love is that you can print and then cut. So you can like precisely cut around images that you've printed with your inkjet printer, which is so cool. Oh, I love doing that. It's just like so satisfying to me. It's like cleaning. Okay, the other cool thing about the Joy Xtra is that you can cut over 50 different materials with it. Like I said, foil is one of them, which I think was so cool. So you can foil, write, draw with the Cricut Joy foil transfer and the Cricut Joy pens. Okay, oh, let's get that, there we go. There we go. Look how cute this turned out. And listen, all you need is one blade. That's it, one blade, and I did this. Okay, look. What do we think? Should we wrap it around like this for simmer pot? Or should it say simmer and then pot underneath? Tell me that that isn't the cutest gift idea. Look. I mean, adorable teacher idea, coworker, friend, anyone, like made with love, truly made with love. So sweet. I'm impressed with myself. If you want to check out Cricut Joy Xtra, and I highly suggest that you do because it would make an amazing Christmas gift or a tool to make Christmas gifts, I have it linked in the description box below. Check them out and leave a comment and let me know what you think I should craft next. Au revoir.